My Daddy Dearest. My Daddy Dearest is a 2012 Philippine television drama series broadcast by GMA Network. Directed by Don Michael Perez, it stars Ogie Alcasid in the title role. It premiered on June 11, 2012 on the network's Telebabad lineup, replacing Alice Bungisngis and her Wonder Walis. The series concluded on August 17, 2012 with a total of 50 episodes. It was replaced by Smile, DongHae in its time slot. Originally titled as Bongga Ka Tay, it was inspired by Sebastián Ortega's Lalola. Premise: the series centers on Bong, played by Ogie Alcasid, and his daughter Daisy, played by Philippine. They've never been so close to each other, and Bong, being a single parent, and has no idea on how to raise his daughter all by himself. Daisy tried her best to get her dad's attention, but because of one certain wish, everything goes beyond their imagination, which changes Daisy's dad into a woman. Cast and characters. Lead cast: Ogie Alcasid as Bong Adonis/Sampaguita/Bong Adonis clone. Supporting cast: Jelena Magdangle as Rose Soriano Adonis/Camila, Milkuin Nashan as Daisy Adonis, JC Tusigo as Chris CJ Javier 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 Javier. Pauline Luna as Winnie/Annie/Minnie/Raina Ada/various Pixie characters. Pinky Amador as Mercedes Adonis. Mylene Dizon as Chandra Soriano. Kyle Daniel Ocampo as Lily. Sherilyn Reyes as Daphne. Pecto as Marco. Era Madrigal as Ivy. Menji Covarrubias as Juancho. Richard Kwan as Brian. Jan Manuel as Jing. Neil Ryan Sees as Val. Nikki Castro as Junior. Ratings. According to AGB Nielsen Philippines Mega Manila Household Television Ratings, the pilot episode of My Daddy Dearest earned a 14% rating, while the final episode scored a 14.4% rating.